Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Bingx.com. So nowadays, Bingx is gaining a lot of popularity. So if you are using Bingx exchange and wondering how you can buy Bitcoin and hold it for some time, then you are on the right place. So once you are on Bingx, you just have to simply hover over to the top and click on this support option. After that, you will be landed on this page where it will by default select the BTC/USDT pair, and for this transaction you will need to pay no fees, meaning that for any of the transactions here there is zero fees. Now according to this chart, you can just select the best price for your Bitcoin at which you want to purchase BTC. After that, you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase Bitcoin. Make sure that it is selected on the limit order, but if you want to purchase it on market order, you can even select that. So the difference between the limit order and market order is that you can buy BTC at the market order at the price at which it is currently. But if you want to set your own price, then you can go with the limit one. Then you need to press the buy BTC option, and once the price of BTC comes to the price that you have entered in this price section, your order will be placed and it will show up in this section. So from this section, you can either hold it for long term, and you can even just add stop losses or take profits as well. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.